How to hide Instagram post from someone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can hide Instagram post from someone. Now, there are a couple of ways you can hide Instagram post from someone. The first thing is keeping your account private. Now, if you want to hide Instagram post from someone and if they are not your follower, however this only works if they don't follow you, what you can do is open up Instagram app and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and here what you want to do is tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen and head into settings and privacy. Once on settings and privacy, what you want to do is scroll down below until you find the option. You can see there who can see your content, and you can see account privacy option. Simply tap on account privacy option and you can set your account to private, and once you do it, your non-followers won't be able to view your post and your account details unless they follow you, and to be able to follow you they'll have to send you a follow request and you'll have to accept it. However, if they are already a follower, what you can do is you can remove them from your following list. Simply head into your profile here and head into your followers list, and here beside the username you'll find the remove option. What you can do is simply remove them by tapping on remove. Now, the other way is simply head into settings and privacy again, and here on who can see your content you can see the blocked option. What you can do is block the user if you want to hide your post totally. If you don't want to interact with them at all, you can simply block them. You can head into the profile and you can block them. The other way is if you just want to hide story and your live notifications from someone, you can head into hide story and live notifications there, and you can head into hide story and live from and then search for the username there and then block them by simply tapping on the username here and make sure the blue tick is on, and they'll be blocked from viewing your story and live. So this way you can hide Instagram posts from someone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.